Welcome to the homeschooling journey. When you begin to homeschool, you quickly discover it becomes a lifestyle that includes many parts of your life. It's a wonderful road filled with lovely adventures that later develop into favorite stories and memories. It allows you to foster a love for lifelong learning and equips your children to fulfill their unique purpose in life. Homeschooling also gives you freedom to formulate your curriculum based on the convictions and priorities of your specific family. Your family is different from all other homeschooling families. This difference might mean the product that is perfect for your friend or for many other homeschoolers might not work for you at all. Well, over the years, we have found that there are 6 factors that make each family unique: faith or philosophy, approach to teaching, money, individual student needs, life circumstances, and you as a teacher. Once you take the time to think through these factors, choosing curriculum that will work for you will be much easier. And reevaluating these factors each year as your homeschool evolves and you become more aware of your family's individual needs will keep you on the right path. When you have reviewed these 6 factors, you can compare them with specific curriculum traits using our catalog icons to see which ones may be the best fit for your children. Join us as the consultant team discusses each of these factors and see how the Family Way can help you find curriculum that is a great choice for your family. Go ahead and download the printable worksheet and handout linked below to work through your family's unique factors.
F is for faith or philosophy, meaning your family's core beliefs that will lay the foundation for your homeschool. These will guide you as you set goals and determine how to best teach your kids at home. Ask yourself some key questions. Why are you homeschooling? What are your family values? What will success look like for your homeschool? What things do you consider most important for your children to learn? Should your curriculum reflect a Christian, neutral, or secular perspective? Thinking through the answers to these questions will help develop your family's unique homeschooling philosophy, and it's the first step in finding the best curriculum to fit your family.
A is for approach. What do you believe about the way children learn? What approach to learning works best for you and your student? This can be different per child, per subject. Not every curriculum uses the same approach to teaching. Here are a few to know. The traditional approach is where instruction flows from you, the teacher, to your student. Classical is based on the trivium stages of learning. The 3 paths are grammar, logic, and rhetoric. The Charlotte Mason approach is a living book-based method that is hands-on and integrates literature into all subjects. Montessori emphasizes students' sensory-driven discovery and real-life applications. A conceptual or topical focus is on the why and unifies concepts and skills. Unit studies organize subjects around a central theme like colonial living or the ocean, and utilizes gathering books and hands-on activities rather than textbooks. A child-led approach which speaks to the child's curiosity is the unschooling method, and eclectic is where you pick and choose a different approach by subject.
M is for money. This is where we ask the very important question: what is your budget? As much as we would like to ignore cost factors, few of us have the luxury of indifference to monetary considerations. It's important to set a realistic budget for your family, and I guarantee it will be different than your friends. If you find your budget is smaller than your friends, it's also important to remember your children will still get a quality education at home. Research shows that the average cost to homeschool ranges from $700 to $1,800 per child per year. This represents families on both ends of the spectrum. Would you be surprised to learn that this is much less than the public school average, which is a whopping $16,000 per child per year in 2023? When considering the cost of curriculum, here are some things to keep in mind. Which components are needed over the year? Are there any reusable components for up-and-coming children? This brings up a follow-up question. If you plan to reuse things like the teacher guide, does the publisher update their materials frequently, making the reusable resources obsolete? Next, are there more resources to purchase that are not included with the curriculum purchase that will drive up the cost? It may appear that an all-inclusive curriculum is more expensive up front, but when you compare them to the cost of curriculum plus any additional required components, the price quickly becomes more equal. A final consideration is this: what resource do you have more of, time or money? Compare the cost of ready-to-use materials with those that you will need to prepare ahead of time.
Families are unique, and so is each person. I is for individual. Your child's individual traits will affect their learning. Consider your child's interests and talents, but also their learning pace, their struggles, their learning styles. All of these play a role in how a child learns. Methods that work well for one child may feel like a foreign language to another. Learning styles basically fall into the following categories: auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. Auditory learners need to hear what's being taught. They might need to hear themselves talk through or sing the material. Visual learners need to see the material and the concepts they're learning, but pictured in their mind. A kinesthetic learner is hands-on or uses body movements to learn. Now, curriculum may aim at one specific learning style, but more than likely a curriculum will include multiple styles and be multi-sensory.
L stands for life. Your homeschool should be an integral part of your life. This will look different for each family and be continually evolving. Many components define the dynamics of our homeschools: vocation, ages, number, and abilities of children, geographic location, health, and available support. Your life circumstances have the potential to enhance some curricula, but create challenges or even eliminate others. Vocation can determine a lot about the way your homeschool flows. Do you have a family business the children are involved with, or live on a farm that require daily chores? Maybe you're a missionary in a region without reliable power or internet. This situation could eliminate some curriculum options. Are current health or chronic health limitations a factor? Perhaps you need the ability to schedule time for medical appointments and care. The option of schooling on the go some days may help. Sometimes an elderly family member may need help or even live with you. Try to view this precious time as a learning opportunity in history or even health. These all play a part in defining the season of life we are in and determine how your homeschool will need to adapt each year.
This brings us to you. Recognize what you can and cannot do practically and effectively. Be honest. A curriculum's level of teacher involvement cannot be taken lightly. Ask yourself, does your schedule allow full interaction with your child's education, or do you need more self-driven material? Do you enjoy planning time or need something more open and go? Does teaching science or art sound fun or just messy? To make comparing this feature of curriculum simpler, we have an icon identifying programs by 3 levels of required teacher involvement: low, medium, and high. Now you can easily find curriculum with a structure that keeps you on track but still allows room to add your own flair. In any case, finding your teaching style and making that work with how your children take in new information takes time. Be patient with yourself. You've got this.
We hope that thinking about these family way factors will be helpful for you as you make your homeschooling decisions. As always, our team of curriculum consultants are available to you free of charge. Bring us your questions by phone at 888-841-3456. Use our online chat at www.rainbowresource.com. We're here Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 Central Time. Or send us an email at consultants@rainbowresource.com for a prompt reply. We look forward to hearing from you.